Hey, what's up guys, it's TheCubicle, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to properly set up a 3x3 and make it turn amazing. So the things you're gonna need are, of course, the cube. I'll be using the WRM 2020, some paper towels for cleaning the cube, cubicle weight 5, but of course you could use any type of core lube. It could be Traxxas weight 1, 4, 5, or whatever you want, a flathead screwdriver, and your piece lube of choice. For this one I'll be using some Dignitas and Gravitas, as well as the M37 and a little bit of Mystic. Hey, what's up guys, it's Editor Franz here, and I forgot to mention that the lubes you want to use mostly depends on what you want the cube to feel like. For example, you want a fast and smooth cube, you're gonna want to use something like Mystic or Lubical Speedy. And if you want the cube to slow down, you may want to use some Gravitas, Dignitas, or some Compound 10. TheCubicle does have a buy one get one sale for free on any lubes you want. For example, if you want some DN137, you buy 15cc of it, then you get another one for free, and you could use code FV to save even more. So the first thing you want to do is actually just disassemble your cube and get every part of it. Secondly, you need to clean all the pieces of your cube. This is a step where it'll take quite a while, but you don't want any old lubes or maybe dirt mixed with the new lubes you're putting in, as it's gonna most likely affect the performance. Once you're done cleaning the pieces, make sure you clean the core as well. Thirdly, now you can unscrew the core. Alright, so this is when your core loop goes in. Once you're done unscrewing, get one of them, take off the screw along with the spring, and the washer should be left inside. Now just lube the part where the washer is and where the screw goes. Once you're done lubing the core pieces, the next thing you want to do is lube the spring and the screw itself. The reason why we're doing this is just to prevent the spring noise, and there is actually a noticeable difference in terms of performance. Now do the same to other pieces. Fourth step is to just screw the pieces back together. Now it is slightly hard to identify whether the tensions are equal, but the best way you can tell is by looking at the ridges of the screw. Once you have two of them screwed in, you can pull both sides and tell which one is a lot tighter or looser. Do this to all sides and you're all set. Now simply assemble the cube and make sure it looks like this, because I'm gonna put some Action Gravitas on the tracks. You don't necessarily have to do this if you don't have this type of lube. All you need to do is just basically put drops of your whatever type of lube you have on the pieces, but on this area of the cube. When you're done lubing the edge piece and the tracks, now you just have to continue assembling the cube. Leave the cube open like this and lube the last edge piece with Gravitas as well. Once I'm done lubing the tracks of the last edge piece, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Axiom Dignitas and simply lube the last few corners. Once you're done lubing and assembling the cube, the next thing you want to do is basically wipe off all the lube that's outside the cube, and don't forget to sanitize your cube. Now just turn your cube. You probably noticed that the cube is extremely sticky, slow, or however you want to call it, but over time this cube will speed up. And right now what I want you to do is basically just do some first turns, play around with it, do some algorithms, and later on we're gonna add some DNM37. Now simply get your low viscosity lube. For this one I'm using a water-based lube, which is the DNM37. Now put drops of it in your cube depending on your taste. For me, I put at least 10 drops of it. I'm not sure why, but it did work out well and the cube is perfectly fine. With all that being said, all you need to do now is break in your cube, do at least 500 or maybe 200 solves, and your cube is amazing. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really do hope I helped you guys out. If you guys want to buy any of these lubes, I'll leave links down in the description as always, and make sure you use code FV for 5% off your entire order. Thanks for watching guys, bye.